Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I'm on my way to Target and I want to show you some of the new things they have here. Perfect that it's still Halloween, but let's go see what they have new at the dollar area. So there is a specific paint that I need to pick up. So we're starting some of our getting ready for Thanksgiving prep, so to say, to the house. And I need to finish up some painting. I'll tell you some more about it later, but it's only sold at Target. There are tons of little doodads here for stockings, you guys. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love like all of this like play stuff that's kind of wooden. It has like a Melissa and Doug thing going on, and I really, really like it. And of course there are things here that you don't feel so bad about, like when you buy it, because it's only like $1. I mean, what kid doesn't want reindeer Christmas Band-Aids? These little fuzzy socks, those are always fun to get too, not just for kids. Yeah, this is the kind of stuff I'm talking about. How much is this? They say they're $3. That's a big container full of stuff. Just little fun things for stockings and for babies or preschoolers. But this, I love this. Oh, I saw these last year. Okay, getting them. These are so cute, you guys, and so soft. And only $7. I need some new throws. Those are cute decor. Little wooden boxes. These are awesome. Just little sprigs. Those are really pretty too. They look real. That's when you know it's a good thing, when it looks real. Let's see, oh, for little trees. That's cute. And they have cute little bells. So I do like these kinds of things for the kids in the classroom. But you can honestly get these at the Dollar Tree for $1. Same size too. Oh, that's cute. Better not try to break it. So the stuff I really want to look at is in the aisle behind me, and there's so many people, so they better leave me stuff. Oh, look how creative these are. These are little lights with little trees in them. How cute is that? Adorable. And look at the beautiful colors in this. Now, it's probably more fall, but you guys, it has some blue. Isn't that so pretty? Some cute little decor. Oh, that is adorable. A countdown. And it has like a little wreath that would go on it right here. That is so cute. $3. Yes, we'll get the countdown. How's that sound? That's so cute. Need some socks for holiday parties. Only $1. Here's some cute little sprigs. Has a little, oh yes, these are just $1, you guys. So they come in little pieces. You can like put them in little jars or little place settings. I think these are adorable. They have little dish towels that are perfect for the season. And these little scarf blankets, these are adorable. What are all of these? Oh, table runners, you guys. They have some different kinds, it looks like. I'll take a look. But you guys, these are all great for the holidays. They come in 2 packs. I love it. Different table runners. My other table runner that I got from this spot, $5. I loved it, the gray one, and I use it still somewhere else in my house, just not on my table. Oh, this is great. So like one Christmas I made vanilla for friends. $3, you guys, for a 2-pack. If you make some like tinctures and, you know, elixirs or whatever that you make, these would be perfect for them. These are super fancy. And there's like some little pillows under there. Let me take a look. Those are cute. But it looks like somebody was trying to hide them. Oh, that's so cute. Made with love with Mrs. Claus. They are smaller pillows, so they're not huge. Definitely more decorative. Oh, these are such cute houses, but they also have like a silver top. More decorative for Christmas. They have such great stuff at the Bullseye Playground or the Dollar Spot, whatever you want to call it. They have great things. Look at this. This is so cute. So it's kind of like a take on the buffalo check, but I think it looks like really clean. Someone needs to buy that. 20 bucks. I was just trying to scoot away. There's a cute table. And there's some other ones. There's other ones here. These pillows, these are super cute for Christmas. So I looked to see where the paint was. No paint. This is not a good thing, you guys. Oh, I love it. So this kind of reminds me a little bit of when I went to IKEA recently, and they had a lot of red and white stuff, huh, Ezzy? Yep. It was so cute. I guess I'm happy to know that not everything's stocked up yet for Christmas. I mean, tomorrow's Halloween and all. But did you know that Thanksgiving is so close to December 1st? So my tree's going up pretty quick here, guys, because I gotta show you what I'm doing, right? And it's so close to December. Thanksgiving, it's so close. So it's almost like I'm gonna have like a medley of different holidays in one house. It'll be funny for a minute, and then I'll wanna just clean it all up. Well, we just left, and I got some things, and I'm excited to show you, but not everything was from the Dollar Spot. There was one thing that kind of bummed me out. They don't sell paint anymore. You guys, I need to figure out something to do with that room.
She needs more paint.
I need more paint. Totally went there for paint. Didn't have any paint. Okay, so first off, I love their Christmas area. I mean, they had like 3 rows of very good Christmas stuff, and they had empty spaces, so you know more is coming. So I might have to go back. But in the meantime, I want to show you what I got. I got this dish towel, and it was over in the Magnolia area. So it was a kitchen towel, and it was on sale for like $2.60. And so I thought I could use it even for a table runner. What do you think? That's a good idea, right? That's if I need a table runner. But if not, I can use it for, well, I don't like to use these ones for table or for kitchen towels. So I'll put this to use somewhere for sure. The table runner, though, from the Dollar Spot. I love this red and white. It's very reminiscent right now of what IKEA is doing. So it's kind of got like this holiday, this European holiday flair to it, and I love it. So this will be super cute. Plus, it's red and white like candy canes. I mean, why wouldn't you love it? I did get this, you guys. How cute is this? Now, it can be hung, but I'm not sure if I'm going to hang it. I'm going to probably put it where I have a special place. I'm thinking where I'm going to put it. So you'll have to stay tuned to see where I put everything for sure. I got this also in near the Magnolia area. It was $2.48 because I thought these little sprigs could go in this little vase. Boom. So easy, right, you guys? I got 2 of those little sprigs, by the way. They were $1 for 3. So I thought that was an excellent price. This cute little, beautiful little dainty tree, just $1. If I find some other ones, I might have like a little display. But I think I already have some, so I love having some variations. So I have some, I think Ezra got some flocked ones when we went to IKEA, and I have some just smaller green ones. So I think we'll have some variation, so that'll be really nice. Now I bought just one pack of these snowballs. So these were $5, maybe a little more than I probably wanted to spend on them. But I have some plans for it, and if it doesn't work out, then I can use it for some winter decor for sure. And the very last thing, you guys. So before my birthday, like at the beginning of October, I saw this basket. I needed it. I wanted it. They didn't have it. I was so bummed. It's this basket, and they had it. They had two sitting side by side, and I'm like, I have to have it. Now, this basket is not easy to find, and it's $19.99. So my goal is, my thought process is to put it on the front door. So now I have two. So let me show you. You may already know and already seen it, but I'll take you with me over here. Don't mind the little messes. This one. So it'll have its partner, but they'll be on the front door, and then I can change them out seasonally. What do you think? Did you think I shouldn't have gotten it? I always have a little bit of remorse when I buy something that is what I wanted. Now these little $5, $3, $1 things, I'm not too, like I'm pretty good about sticking to a limit, but $20 for a basket? Let me know if you would have bought it. Let me know in the comments if I did a good job. When I was there, I ran into a friend and we got to talking for a little while at Ezra. He's so good. He just sat there, did a great job. So I had to get him a little Lego guy. Those little like packets that are like $3. He deserved it. And also when I was shopping, somebody else said that they loved my hair, that it was their dream color. What? Which, that was a nice little compliment. So that was kind of fun. So all in all, Target was a good day for me. Thanks so much for stopping by, you guys, and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. We have lots of fun here. I do lots of recipes, which right behind me is a crock pot one where I'm making chicken with salsa and a little brown sugar to make some sweet chicken tacos for dinner. Those kind of recipes. Thanks for stopping by, rollers, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.